Alright, before you blink, tap the link in the description below for a cheeky discount or special offer on the HOTO Smart Laser Measure. Trust me, you'll want to check it out. So, let's be honest, who actually likes wrestling with a tape measure? You pull, you squint, it snaps back and smacks you in the knuckles. Painful and embarrassing. Well, let's scrap the old school drama and level up. Meet the HOTO Smart Laser Measure, the gadget that's about to make tape measures extinct. This little beauty is smaller than your car keys. So yes, it fits in your pocket. No more awkward belt clips or stuffing chunky tools into your handbag. It's got all the brains and none of the bulk. Now, let's talk specs because I know you're here for the details. This clever bit of kit can measure up to 98 feet, that's your whole flat, the neighbors, and maybe the hallway too, with pinpoint accuracy down to 2 millimeters. The Pro version, it stretches out to 164 feet, and you can basically measure your entire street if you fancy. You want quick? It does it in 0.2 seconds. You want easy? One button. That's right, long press to start, another click to finish. You can even measure from the front or back, depending on where you're standing. It's honestly so user-friendly my nan could use it, and she still thinks Bluetooth is a dental procedure. And the fun bit, this isn't just a solo act. HOTO pairs with your phone via Bluetooth and the MI Home app. Log your measurements, draw up floor plans, slap them on photos, switch between metric and imperial. You get the idea. Your home reno projects just got a whole lot more fun and a lot less faff. Let's not forget design. They call it Make Cool Tools for a reason. It's sleek, minimalist, and has a snazzy OLED screen that's easy to read. You'll look like the James Bond of DIY next time you're measuring up. Battery? Charges with USB-C, does up to 2,000 measurements on a full charge. You'll get bored before it does. The only heads up, the app can be a bit moody on some phones, but updates keep rolling out, and when it works, it's magic. So, if you want to ditch the tape, avoid the bruised knuckles, and look like an absolute pro, hit the link in the description for your discount or special offer on the HOTO Smart Laser Measure. Upgrade your toolkit, measure smart, make it happen.